In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hi, and welcome to this channel. I'll show you everything you need to know, the pros, the cons, and exactly how to create your pins, including affiliate policy on Pinterest. Let's dive straight into the video. First, you need to create a Pinterest business account and Amazon affiliate account. I have tutorials on my channel, how to sign up Amazon affiliate program, how to create a Pinterest business account, and I'll drop that in the description box as well, just in case you don't have it. First, we need to find a product to promote. I'll promote Blue Yeti microphone just as an example. This is the microphone I'm using. I really like it, and it's always good to promote something you are used to. Click on the product, but you can promote anything at all. One con I would like to talk about is Amazon. They don't like when you use their images to promote your affiliate link, even though you are promoting it for them. Scroll down. I'll promote this one instead. I'll right click and copy image, then I'll click on it. I'll use Canva to create this pin. You can use any graphic design of your choice. I'll type here Pinterest pin. This is it, Pinterest pin. You can use any image. In this case, I'll use the create blank template and Control V. I can change the background color, or you can leave it like that, but I'll click on it, go to color, scroll down, and let me try this and see. This color is popping. Remove background. The background is removed. I'll add effect, shadow, glow, and click on glow again, and I'll use white, and I'll push it all the way to the end and push this at least 10 is okay, or I can do 20 is good, and I'll push this back to 1, or I can leave it to 5. Yeah, you can play with it. Next, I'm gonna add a text. I'll grab a text using the best microphone. I'll change the color to white, change the text, effect, I'll go for black, and I'll thicken it all the way to the end, and I can enlarge it. Yeah, you can play with it, it's up to you. Push this down, and I'll say reduce this. Yes, I can change the font if I want. I'll go back here. I can use gargling, and here I can use the same thing. You can play with it, it's up to you. And instead this, I will do effect, and outline, and this time I'm going for white, and I'll push it all the way out again. Something simple like this, and you can stretch it all the way to the end. That's up to you. Please pay attention to what I'm about to say. With Amazon, you cannot tell people click here, do this, or you cannot instruct people. You just make your statement and you leave it. Don't even say click on the link, and also don't state an amount. Don't do that. They don't like that. I'll leave it like this, and I'm gonna add a title before I download. Say best microphone for YouTube. I'm just doing this for SEO. Then I'll click here to share, download again. We're gonna upload the pin. Click on the Pinterest menu. There used to be a plus icon down here that you can click on it to create your pins, and they move it to create them pins and board, but now it has changed again. This is like an update. Click here on the Pinterest, then click on create pin. This is organic. When you click on this, that means you're about to create an ad, create pin, and then we're gonna upload it. Click on it to upload. Bam, you see it looks really nice. We're gonna have to do the SEO. This is my title, best microphone for YouTube and podcast, and I will say in 2024 best microphone for YouTube and podcast in 2024. The description: using the best microphone for your project matters. I've included a keyword here, best microphone. Also, I tried the Blue Yeti USB mic and I love the sound of my voice. Then push this down and add some characters just to break it. With Amazon affiliate program, you need to add a disclosure or affiliate marketing disclaimer. I'll show you on my website. When you scroll down, I have it here because I promote Amazon affiliate program on my website. Copy. You can check on my website and just copy and make some basic changes. Drop it here. You cannot do without. This is very important. Please don't forget this. Next, I'll change this to Blogsdom. That's it. When you are promoting Amazon product, you need to add this. I see a lot of creators like YouTubers showing how to promote Amazon affiliate program and they don't show this. This is very important. I'm gonna create the affiliate link, get the link, click on test and right click, copy and go back to Pinterest, drop it. I know the reason why I'm doing all this is because I'm dropping the link directly here. If I'm directing people to this blog post, then I don't need to add this disclaimer. Why? Because the disclaimer is on my website. Please don't forget this. But regardless, you need to have this disclaimer somewhere on your website or your promotional page. Next, with Amazon, you don't have to shorten the link or cloak the link. They don't like that. They want visitors or your prospects to know that you are directing them to Amazon. And likewise, with Pinterest, when you have a long, ugly affiliate marketing link, they don't want you to go cloak it or like to shorten it. Don't do that. Even if you have a long affiliate link, drop it here. But I would advise you to have your own website that you can create content like a blog post. You can direct people to your website link. Next, we have to create a board. A board is like a category of niches or like a folder. As you can tell, I have affiliate marketing for beginners, Amazon, blogging tips. Even though this product is coming from Amazon, I'm not promoting Amazon as a niche. I'm promoting tech product. I'll create a board and I'll name it AI and Tech. Do you want to keep this board secret? I would advise you to click on it if you are an agent or you don't want people to see it. If you are an agent and you want to share the link with your customer, or let's say you want to create this pin but share it with someone like your boss or your colleague at work or something. But either than that, I would advise you to keep it public. Don't check this. Click on create. Moving forward, anything I create about AI and tech, I'll drop it in here. Tag, I'll say best microphone, Blue Yeti USB, and also microphone in general. I'll keep it like this. If you want to publish it at a later date, let's say you want to schedule it, yeah, you're gonna have to check this and schedule it, but I don't want to. I want to publish it live. I'll go up, I'll publish it right, click publish and view it. Actually, I need to edit this and push it way down and see how it's gonna stand. Let's have her and edit pin, edit. Oh yeah, I don't know why. So click on it. Let's see. I'll enter and that's it. Save. So you see why I always prefer to add this thing up there. Yeah, just to separate it. Yeah, guess what? I have everything there. Good description, Amazon disclaimer, best title, click save. Because I made a change, scroll down, see I have similar pins that I can pin. Let's say I like this one, and as a beginner I will advise you to pin other microphone or products just to make your board attractive. So I'll hover and I'll click on this arrow and I'll hover on the AI and tech and I'll save this in there. When people view this, my pin will be there and they can see my pin as well. You cannot expect to make money with just one pin. You have to keep on. When I go to my profile, my pin is right here, and right I can tell someone this is my pin, and guess what? When people click on it, it's taking them straight to Amazon. But I don't want to do that right because I cannot click on my own pin. With Amazon you cannot do that. This is how you promote Amazon affiliate product on Pinterest. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.